Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a couple of notes and a couple of coins for you. We are on the first week of February. This is actually being recorded on the 6th of February and we're in the middle of a sporting event that isn't very often covered or well covered in the media. And that's the Winter Olympics. They're being held in Beijing, in China. And we have four items here of monetary items that are to do specifically released for the Beijing Games. We have here the Beijing logos and also the Beijing and the Olympic rings with the date 2022. And we have a set of lines going across the bottom of the coin. Around the outside we have a whole load of Chinese characters that I don't know what the full meaning is of them, I'll be honest with you. But on here we have two different coins. We have one, and this one here is a speed skater on a 2 Yao coin. It is frosted in places around to make the athlete stand out, and the rest of the coin is fairly well a goldish colour. The second one, which I'll bring across now to take a look at, is a downhill skier or a skier of some description. Looks as if he's a downhill skier by the looks of that. But we have a complete splash of colour behind the back of the athlete, and I'm not quite sure what it's supposed to be. It looks like snowflakes on a blue and green background with a bit of red in it. Now I don't know if these colours are the colours of the Beijing Olympics or not. I can't see any logo as such. What I do know is that it's another 2 Yao coin and that it has the skier is slightly frosted in comparison to the rest to bring him out, to make him stand out against the background. And the gate that's in the background skier, says number 5, so it's the 5th gate, possibly on the surface, on the circuit. So those are two coins. They're backed up with two notes, and they're both 20 Yao notes, and I'll need to come right out on these ones. There you go, 20 Yao. This one seems to have a building of some description, although I'm not 100% sure what the building is. I don't know if it's like an indoor complex where they have some of the events. Here, however, we have the Olympic ski jump. So the one where they throw themselves off the end of a ramp and travel hundreds of metres in the air. It frightened the living you-know-what out of me, but I wouldn't want to do it. But there you go, you get people who do stupid things. And then we've got the Great Wall of China, which is in a light blue colour, which is the colour at the bottom of the polymer note. On this one we also have a snowflake design that looks like one of these one of the things that's used to stop it being looked at as to fake it. It would make it harder. The mint mark on this one, or the watermark on this one, is a skier, which goes with a downhill ramp. On this one, I was possibly right about the indoor arena, because on the indoor arena one, in blue, in a blue shaded blue, is a ice dance pair. It has a monogram, a hologram on there with music notes on it. Again, it's a 20 Yao coin. It has the Beijing Olympic logo with the Beijing Olympic 2022 and the rings. This one has exactly the same. On the top you have I think that's one of the imperial logos plus some Chinese writing. You have the same on this note. You have the ski jumper landing with the skis. Again, you've got the Beijing 2020 with the Olympic rings. And then you have your serial numbers at the bottom. One is J1568577813. This one's J390, sorry, 795425. Now, I bought these locally in the UK, so they were possibly special minted ones that people are able to sell as a secondary supplier in the UK. What do you think of these? I actually quite like them. I think they're particularly good. I think they're particularly good coins and notes. You don't often get the two together where you've got coins and notes representing the same event, but these seem to work together well. I don't know if there are other coins available or other notes available apart from these ones. They're the only ones I've seen floated about when I've had a look to try and find out if there's any notes or coins issued for the Olympics. This is what came up in the search engine. What do you think of them? Would you want either or both of these in your collection? I actually like the way that the coins and the notes have been produced. I think they look exceptional in the sense that they are recognising a once-in-a-lifetime event, possibly in Beijing, that people are likely to see, and people will want to collect something from these events. And this is just two different items, the banknotes and coins. Tell me, would you want them in your collection, or is it one of these things where you only collect UK coins or whatever? I actually like them, as I said, and I'm very glad to have them in my collection, and I wouldn't want to change that. If you've liked this particular video, please give me the thumbs up. It only takes you a second, and we've got plenty of room for people to join and follow me on my journey through coins and banknotes and other such things. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins or other items from wherever you're buying them, I hope you can get them at the price that you want to pay. And please, if you believe that you're happy with this and you're happy to follow me, please subscribe. It does help me, and I do want to grow my channel more in this coming year. And until we meet up again, I do regularly 4 videos a week, so there's plenty for you to view. From me, until we meet up sometime next week or so, ta-ra for now. Bye bye.